In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to host a static website using AWS. First, you need to open your account in aws.amazon.com. I'm having already an account in aws.amazon.com, and after logging in, you will see an interface like this, AWS Management Console. Go to the Service tab. Under Storage Services, you can find a storage called S3. S3 means Simple Storage Service. It represents 3S. Simple Storage Service, where we can store our data privately or publicly. Under S3 service, you need to create a bucket first for storing our data. Click on the Create Bucket. After clicking, it will ask you to fill the details like bucket name. I am going to give my bucket name as Sriram Portfolio, and make sure to untick this block all public access. That means you are going to make your website to public. So and if you make the change, you need to acknowledge for the current settings that might be result in this bucket and the objects within becoming a public. So after acknowledging that, create your bucket. So creating bucket in S3 Web Services enables you to store the data. After creating bucket, go to your bucket. Before uploading my files, I just want to cross check whether my website was perfectly running or not. These are the website files that was running in my PC. Let me check my website. Yes, it was absolutely running. It was absolutely running. Actually, this was my portfolio website where I just want to host this portfolio website in the internet. So I just want to transfer all these files into my bucket, what I have done. Okay. In the option called upload, you can upload all your files. In the option called upload, you can all your files. Here you can add files and you can add folder. First, we will add the file. We will add the file index.html. Next, we will add the folder called assets. The folder called assets. Next, you need to make these settings and permissions as public. Not only the bucket, but also we have to grant the public access to the files what we are going to upload in our bucket. So grant public access and acknowledge that you can understand the risk of granting public access to the specified objects. Click on upload. It will take some time for uploading into that S3 bucket. Let me wait for a while, and it was about 101 MB. And after uploading all this bucket, you can able to see the files are stored in the bucket with which you have been created under S3 storage control. Okay.
A few moments later.
Soon we can see the upload was succeeded and our files has been loaded into the bucket which we have created already. When you go to the destination file, you can see index.html and the asset folder. So what we need to make this website live, go to the properties, and before going to the properties, you need to allow and make sure to check the permissions has been granted to public or not. And you can able to see the block public access has been disabled so that these files have been accessed to the public, right? After making the files has been public, go to the properties tab under S3 bucket what you have created. In that properties tab, scroll down, and at the last you can see the static web hosting. Static web hosting which was disabled. Make sure to enable to make your website live. Okay, edit that and make enable button. Host a website, or you can redirect request for an object. If you are holding a domain name, you can redirect to protocol. using the protocol HTTP or HTTPS, whatever you want. So which file has to be opened first? I am holding only one HTML file. For that, I am going to open that index.html. You can use the redirection rules and to redirect your website to another website. So I am enabling the static website hosting and make the changes and save changes. Whenever you have enabled the static web hosting, you can able to see there is a website has been created for us. Click on and copy that and paste it in your website. Paste it on your website. Yes, our website has been hosted lively perfectly. You can able to see all the files has been loaded perfectly, which I'm loaded to the S3 bucket. Okay. In this way, you can able to create simple web hosting services using Amazon Web Services free tier option available. So there are only few steps away to create a static web hosting for this. Make sure to make all the files public. So this was about creation and hosting your static website. Thanks for watching.